I'm going to show you how to replace a clutch in a 49cc dirt bike, just step by step. So here's the first step is you want to remove these four right here. So remove those four. So I've removed those four bolts. So now you just pull this off, and I just kind of set it out of place. But you can see all the pad has been burned off there. These two pad clutches aren't as good as what I'm gonna put on. One of these 3 pad, they're a little better. I'm gonna throw that on. Okay, so your next step is you wanna take off this, that one, and then there's one more over here. I'd rather take these off because they're going into metal. These ones here, if you take those off, you can strip them out because it's just going into this plastic piece. So I take those ones off. So I've taken out those 3 bolts, so this cover can just come right off. That's your pull start. The reason why you want to do that is because you need to be able to hold this still so you can break the other side, the clutch, the bolt off. So on this side, while I'm trying to break that bolt off, I use a screwdriver and set it in like this. I have put a 10mm on that black bolt that you can see in the middle, and sometimes it'll break this side free instead of the clutch. But if you do this with the screwdriver, it'll just break the bolt free with the clutch. And then on this side, you'll remove that while holding the other side so it doesn't just freely spin, so you can break that, and then once you break this, it just comes off. So I've removed that center bolt. Sometimes it doesn't want to pry off, so if you try to pry this off, it won't pry off. So if you hit it with a hammer right here just to break it free, smack it right there once, then it'll pop off, and then you put the new one on and tighten it down. So I popped it off there. You can see some debris from the clutch pads. You're gonna wanna vacuum that out or get that out and clean it out a little bit. And then you put on your new clutch with the springs out. You set it in and then tighten it down real good, holding the other side so you can get it real tight. So I got the clutch on there real tight. Now you're gonna wanna put this back in. Sometimes it's hard to put it back on if your chain is too tight, so you can loosen your chain right here and here to loosen it on both sides to get this on, and then you can retighten it, and you want your chain to be a little snug. So you can put this side on. Okay, got those bolts on snug, and now we're gonna go to the other side and put the pull start back on. Okay, I got that clutch on tight and then tightened all that, so it should be good to go. So one thing to note with these is it's a dry clutch. So I've read online it's good to use them for like 5 minutes, get them warm, and then let them completely cool off, and then do it one more time for like 5 minutes and let it cool off. This heating up and cooling down process helps break in the clutch, and it'll last longer. So I hope this video is helpful in changing your clutch. Let me know if you have any other questions and I'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching.